What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As some of you guys may know, my RX-7 is actually leaking oil, so I haven't been driving it at all. It's leaking from the oil coolers. So right now I'm on the way to my buddy's shop, Mike, Full Detail Automotive. I'm actually meeting up one of my friends, Brandon, over there, and he's gonna sell me some stock OEM twin oil coolers. So hopefully, I know that they're leaking from the 90s, they're not leaking from the actual oil coolers, but the ones that I have look pretty bad and they need to be changed. So this kind of helps anyways, because they needed to be changed. What's up, bro? Hope you're not camera shy. What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, just enjoying this sweet ass Wednesday off.
Nice. So it comes with the lines and the scoops and everything. So, as far as you know, these things are good, right?
Oh yeah, they're fine.
Okay.
I need bigger ones.
Yeah. I don't know if I'll use the ducks, but those are kind of dope. Maybe I will. I have like some custom ducks on mine.
These fit with the 99. Well, these are for the 99 spec.
For that bumper?
So yeah, it should fit perfectly with the bumper.
All right, cool. Where's Mike? He's not working until later, huh?
Yeah, he's not going to. When I left the house, he was still asleep.
Yeah.
So,
Is he feeling better? I know he was like little like.
He seems.
I don't know.
He seems fine.
All right, cool. Well, I know he had checked into the hospital or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, send him, you know, my regards and everything. So I said, what's up? I might pass by. So I'm going to go ahead and try to, I guess, fix my problem with these.
What's going on with it?
It just started leaking oil at the 90s.
Oh!
Figured I'd show this badass car. It's nice. So Lewis came to help me with my clapped out rice bowl. I got you a Malta too, because you know what I'm saying, I don't feel like I start the day without those usually. Hold on, I got something for you. I know it doesn't seem like there's nothing for that, but there is.
On this thing. Oh, man.
Like the only fucking factory piece on this thing.
Jesus.
There we go. Bam. So we gotta put oil in this because I know there's nothing in here. We got something that I don't usually put in, but it's fucking cheap, so there it is.
Yeah, but you know what? This actually.
She's a lot of whining, but I'm gonna have to change those belts and those pulleys. It is what it is. She's a little temperamental lately. I think she's jealous of the hatch. She knows that the hatch is coming, so she's starting to whine. So we made it to Chris's shop. Hopefully we can fix this oil leak. Chris's shop is all about V-dubs. That's all he really works on. Show you around a little bit. we ended up moving that car out of the way because we thought we'd need a lift to go ahead and go underneath here, but it's not gonna be that way. We didn't need that. So what we're looking at here is the stock oil coolers that come with the 99 spec R1, whatever it is. Either way, these are stock oil coolers, and I have aftermarket oil coolers. The problem here is that this oil cooler is a different size and obviously has these brackets, well, these fittings. I'm not going to be able to make these work on that, at least not right now. I'm not. So my friend Chris has an oil cooler on his Volkswagen that we were showing, and he says that it's the same size and that it'll fit. So we're gonna go ahead and try that and see if it works. But if you can't really see, you guys can't really see up in there, but where it's dark at, it's actually busted on the actual oil cooler and it's leaking there. So now that we figured that out, we're gonna go ahead and try that oil cooler and see if it works in here. Well, we got it out.
Go ahead and get that off then. If not, I'm gonna have to cut.
One thing I hate about these things are their alleys, because they always get rusted. But I'm gonna have to take those out so we can replace that. But it's definitely busted in the corner right there. One of the corners. This. Yeah.
I got it. Bro, it's surprising how rusty these damn things are.
I can't even believe. That's why I don't even like those type of.
And it's in
bolts,
Florida,
though.
you would think.
Yeah. I know.
It's bad, bro. Really bad. Don't do that at home, kids.
Definitely don't do that at home.
But
So-
we're badass motherfuckers around here. So
You already know.
if we lose our fingers, you can too.
So basically we had to cut these bad boys off because Chris has the same exact one minus
Over there,
where's
Danny's
it
got
at?
it on the tape.
Oh, Danny's got it. Minus the fact that he cut off the pieces on his. So now we have to weld them back on. So that's what we're gonna do, which is pretty awesome that they're doing that for me. So we're gonna get that done right now.
Beer and fire always cleans everything. Beer. Everyone's got the bald eagle. Got the bald dog. Wow.
This is a bad bolt.
Fuck my shit up, baby.
No, the tungsten is, it balls up too easy.
Bro, you can't fucking fix my radiator. You suck. You did that shit on purpose. He sucks as a welder. I'm not nobody tell you that. Look at him. Look, he looks
Don't
like
shoot
an
me.
ill. He looks like an ill, doesn't he?
Did this pretty good. I mean, it's on
We
there.
gotta clean the other one.
Show them how bad you are, Pops.
Look at him. You never know who he is at night. That helmet says a lot.
Oh, it doesn't like that one.
Oh, that shit burns. When you have dirty aluminum, sometimes you gotta heat it up. Shit's dirty. I like clean it again.
Didn't want to stick, it just melted, huh?
Yeah, it turned black. Ready?
Got it that time. The way it fits. The screws are a little messed up though.
They're just fine.
You gonna make them work?
Those just should work.
Yeah, it works perfect actually.
What's the chances of taking my fucking cooler I had on my VR?
On your Volkswagen, right? Huh? Wild.
Hold it.
Alright, so I got it in there. It wasn't easy, but it's in. So let's finish tightening it up all the way and then make sure it doesn't leak. Well, good sign. Yep. Well, she's on all fours again. Now that I can drive her, I can probably get her cleaned up. So that pretty much does it for today, guys. I am beat. Me and my boys put in that work to get that shit done. So hopefully it doesn't break again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.